Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing the device and opening the right menu. First, make sure the device is unlocked and power stable. Low battery can interrupt resets. Next, open Settings and tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This is where your history lives. If prompted, sign into the account associated with activity tracking so you can access and clear data. Once you're there, locate the dashboard or Manage Settings option. That first tap moves you into the data controls you'll use next. Now you move into selecting which records to remove. Scan the dashboard for app lists and activity categories. Tap an app to reveal detailed records. You can pick individual entries, a date range, or choose all apps or all history when available. Make sure to read any confirmation text describing what will be deleted, because some actions remove linked activity across devices. Once selections match your intent, tap Clear Data or Delete Activity. The system will ask to confirm before finalizing. Finish by confirming deletions and verifying results. After you confirm, let the operation complete, then restart the device to ensure cache is clear. Make sure account sync is on or off according to your goal. Sometimes synced servers restore history if sync remains enabled. If history reappears, temporarily disable sync and repeat deletion. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the Settings app cache or install pending OS updates before retrying. That fixes many stuck or inconsistent delete operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.